Hi Pisceans, this is your October 2020 career reading. I am going to look at the cards, tarot cards, and see what energies are coming in and which will be beneficial for you and which you need to let go of. I will be looking at those energies and talking about it in this video. So, the first energies which are coming to you is a very good one. It's the energy of the star. Look at the card, energy of the star and energy of the fool. So the star means that there is hope, optimism, there is good feeling and positive energy around you. When you are in this month of October, you will be feeling good, you will be feeling optimistic about your career. Something will happen in your career which will give you new positivity, and it will help you to look at your future with a very optimistic eye. I see some of you taking a leap of faith, or most of you have taken a chance in your job environment or business or something. You will be deciding upon something which will bring you towards this hope and enthusiasm in your career. So people who were feeling that there is a crisis, people who were feeling that the information is not there, or the signs are not clear, or the path is not looking clear for them, some of you will be taking really courageous step towards changing your situation. So there is this beautiful energy in the beginning which is going to be of the fool and the star, which will help you to go forward, make something out of your not happening career. If some of you are facing obstructions in your career, that is going to be changed for you. So as we go and progress in the month of October, I see momentum coming in. A lot of action is going to happen. You are going to focus now. You are going to focus and look at the goals very clearly. You are going to look at a singular goal, and you will be able to march forward towards it, because I see that the situation of darkness, the situation of secrecy, the situation of being unclear is over now, and something will be given shape now. Some foundations will be laid, something will be started, something will be, put into motion by you. So it could be a new business for some of you, it could be a new employment for some of you, new job for some of you, new opportunity for some of you, maybe a change of job. Something is going to happen for you, which is, or a change of laterally in a job. So there is going to be a sudden and different kind of momentum which is taking place in your work life, career life, or business life. So things are going to pick up very soon. I see you, navigating your way through, a lot of burdensome, activities. Maybe some of you are overworked, some of you are taking lot of responsibility but less money. So this situation is going to see temperance. There is going to be moderation of this, heavy burden. You are ready to release this burden, because it is the 10 of wands, meaning the situation of carrying heavy burdens is going to end now. This is the final phase. So angels are advising you to be patient. Angels are advising you to navigate through this hard work situation or burdensome situation with lot of patience. They are saying that this situation will heal soon. This situation of heavy burdens, please connect to your own circumstances, people who are resonating, because for some of you it is a really oppressive situation. So you will be getting out of this situation very soon. So listen carefully. You have to be patient, you have to navigate, you have to negotiate. Now this is your time in the month of October. If you were thinking of asking for a raise, if you were thinking of asking for a promotion, this is your time to ask for it properly, patiently. So this is your time now to ask for this, because this energy of carrying more burden than what you are paid for, this energy is going to see an end. This is an energy which is going to see an end. So you have to take up this energy and ask for a raise, promotion, change of circumstances in your job or work life, or something like that is going to come to you. So there I see the energy of Queen of Swords. So some of you will become more logical. You will become more logical. You will take decisions with a lot of analysis, a lot of your not with your heart but with your mind. So this time you are going to take decisions in October with a bit of a guardedness. You will not open up or reveal your cards in front of anyone with whom you are negotiating. So in business or in job, you will be like the Queen of Swords, who has the capability, the acumen to do business or do career activities with lot of with good judgment and good diplomacy. So you will have this energy, and it will take you towards your Nine of Cups. So Nine of Cups is wish fulfillment. For some of you, with this energy, the wish fulfillment is attached, meaning if you are diplomatic, if you are guarded, if you judge situations carefully, you are going to go towards wish fulfillment. You are going to go towards manifesting your dreams, getting what you always wanted. So Nine of Cups is coming. This means success for some of you. This success will come to you. This success will be within your reach if you are patient, if you are negotiating properly, if you are negotiating with your mind, not with your heart. So this is what I am seeing. So as you go further in October, there is going to be decision between your mental decision between your struggle with your romanticism and your struggle with reality. So a balance is coming in. A balance is coming in. If you always think with your heart, this time you are going to think with your mind. This time you are going to balance your energies, and you will see that justice is happening for you. Something is going to happen in your favor. In court cases also, you are being advised to not be very emotional, not have emotional expectations, but have realistic expectations. So for some of you, there is going to be a court judgment which will be favorable. However, don't connect emotions with it. So monetary situation or court situation or any realistic situation in your job or career or business, you have to balance your romanticism, your emotions with your realistic situation. Have realistic expectations, and you will see how your situation is changing. Your situation will be balanced. Your situation will see that justice is served for those who have always had proper expectations, seeing truth clearly, seeing that what is realistic, and people who understand this, they are much more they have peace. So there is going to be this situation, this duality which will come into fore, and you will decide in favor of justice, in favor of being in balance. So then I see that again this balance card is coming. You are feeling a bit off balance because you are handling two things. You are handling duality in your mind regarding some decision which you have to take regarding your career, or you are not very sure what to do. So when you are in this situation, the Queen of Pentacles is here. This could be an earth energy around you. This could be a realistic energy around you. Either you are going to take up this realistic energy, or you are somebody of the earth sign, Virgo, Capricorn or Taurus is going to advise you regarding this situation. So you will be coming out of this dual situation of thinking what to do, what not to do, whether to quit a job, whether to take up a new job or a new promotion. Something like that is going to be resolved by someone else, or it will be your own energy, this feminine energy of earthiness, feminine energy of nurturing and caring for family. This will determine your decision regarding your job or career life. So finally, as outcome, I see the Empress and the Emperor. So again, this duality is coming to surface regarding your career. There is this energy of, rules, regulations, strictness, discipline, and there is this energy of, raw energy of creating, raw energy of artistic, or romanticism, which is coming in. So there has to be, balance of these both. These are called stalker cards. When they come together, this means that you have to make a decision in your career. You have to make a balance in your career. If you are getting too emotional about a project, if you are getting too emotional about a job of, or a location of the job, or people in the jobs, people around you or workers around you, you want to work with a certain set of people, or there can be these situations in work life. There can be a situation of taking a risk in your business, but you are not taking the risk because you are feeling too, negative about it, maybe, or emotionally not confident. So the Emperor is telling you to take up, decision with good judgment. Think of, properly or in an orderly fashion within rules and regulation. And the Empress is telling you to take the jump, take the leap of faith, do this work, and nurture it, conceive it, give birth to new ideas and things like that. So there, so new ideas, new decisions, or decisions regarding, career and love, or things like that, you have to have a structure around it. So there needs to be a structure in what you are thinking. So there has to be a balance between these two forces of Empress and the Emperor. So this is two parts of your soul, the emotional and the mental part of your soul. So you have to decide accordingly, and give importance to both the things, but decide in favor of something which will give you your overall success. So this is what I see for you in the month of October. Regarding your money, I see that the wheel of fortune is turning. The wheel of fortune will turn for those who have been working hard, and you are going to get success in money. Money will be coming in. Good fortune in money is going to happen for some of you. There is 10 of cups here. This means joy and happiness and overall happiness regarding your money situation. You will feel happy. People who didn't have enough money, or who are facing monetary crisis, for them situation can change. Help can come in. People can help you, or you find a new source of money through some endeavor. So this is what I see for you in your money situation. People who don't have a job, for them I see a yes card, which is saying that new opportunity, yes, new opportunity is coming for you. Please apply. October is the month for you. Look for a job. You will be able to find a job. So this is the yes card, which is coming for new opportunities for people who don't have jobs. And the angels are advising you to be your diplomatic self, to be a person who is a bit materialistic at this time. You have to think a bit materialistically. You have to think in a reserved fashion. You have to project yourself as someone who has good intellectual power, who can give his 100% into a situation or a job. So this is what is the angel advice. Angel is giving you an advice. So I see good situation for you, Pisces. I see that you are going to see lot of success in your in this month of October, and hope and optimism in your career situation. So thank you very much. If you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. Bye bye.